What's up guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and today is the first day of a new series that I'm doing on this channel called Make This Tonight. Make This Tonight is going to be an ongoing series, and every episode will feature a new dinner recipe that you can literally watch today and make tonight, because these are easy recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights. They're also family friendly and family portioned, and every single episode will have the full recipe and a grocery list written out in the description box below to make sure that making this tonight will be easy and very convenient for you. So I hope you love this series and love these recipes. Before we get started, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so go ahead, click the little subscribe button below this video, and also make sure you hit that bell notification, because that will make sure that you never miss a recipe, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss these recipes. So click those buttons, and with all of that said, let's get started. Step number one is just taking your salsa out of the refrigerator and setting it on the counter. You want to do this first so that the salsa can come to room temperature and it's not really cold on top of your taquitos. Then I'm just going to wash some Yukon Gold potatoes, and look at this heart-shaped potato I found at the grocery store. I kind of couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this potato. I thought it was so cute. But I really like using Yukon Gold potatoes for this recipe because they're really flavorful, they're really nice and creamy, they mash really well, and they were on sale. They usually are, so I always get these. And then I just chop them up nice and small so they'll cook really fast, add them to a pot of cold water with a big pinch of salt, and I just let those kind of bubble away on the stove until they're fork tender, which is usually about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I drain the water and add a tablespoon of vegan cream cheese. You could also do vegan butter if you like, and some almond milk along with some sea salt. That's all it takes to make some really great smashed potatoes. I'm just gonna mash them with my potato masher, and then I'll switch to a wooden spoon and kind of cream them by hand. You don't want to get rid of all the chunks. You don't want them to be perfectly silky smooth, because having a little bit of texture is really nice in the finished taquitos. Then I add about a tablespoon or two of cilantro or chopped parsley and set that aside. Then I'm just going to go ahead and warm up my tortillas. Warming them up, make sure that you can roll them without having them crack, and this way you can roll them really nice and have beautiful taquitos at the end of this. This makes 8 very hearty taquitos. I like using flour tortillas. You can use whatever kind of tortillas that you like, and I recommend rolling these so that the fold side is down, and that way they'll stay closed while they bake in the oven. While the taquitos are baking away in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and make our side dish, which is packed with protein and has lots of color, which kind of makes this meal feel really bright and fresh and vibrant. And all you're going to need are a can of black beans, some thawed frozen corn, some fresh cherry tomatoes, which are so sweet and in season right now, and also some chopped cilantro and scallions. Then for quick dressing, I'm just going to mix together some fresh lime juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a big pinch of salt. Shake this up to combine, and then I'm going to pour this over the veggies. Then all that's left to do is spoon some of your store-bought salsa over the top. I recommend using salsa verde for this recipe because I love the way that the acidity from the tomatillo kind of contrasts the rich, creamy cheesiness of the potato filling. And I also like adding some chopped white onion and an extra sprinkle of fresh cilantro on top. Not only is it beautiful to look at, but it adds an extra layer of flavor, and I really think you guys are gonna love this combination. I hope you guys love this recipe. If you know someone in your life, or maybe on Facebook or on social media, who struggles with what to make for dinner, maybe they are in a food rut or they complain that they have no time to cook, I would love for you to share this video with them, and also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because that also helps more people find my channel. I love when you guys tag your friends in these recipes, or when you email them to them, or you share it on your Facebook wall. Anything you can do to help spread the word that eating plants is delicious, and it can also be flavorful and convenient and budget friendly and all the things. I think that's a great message to share, and if you agree, please also share this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in a new episode very soon. Bye!